In this video, we discuss about Java architecture, JDK, JRE, and JVM. The Java platform consists of JDK, that is Java Development Kit, JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. Java is a platform independent programming language. What is meant by platform independent? It is enough to compile the program only once. Then we can execute the program in any platform without the need for recompilation. It follows the principle write once, run anywhere. Since it is platform independent, we can run in any platform. It is enough to compile once and run in any platform anywhere. That is the reason run anywhere. Java is a both compiled and interpreted language. We have to compile, that is, we are using both the compiler and interpreter. The compiler first converts the source code into bytecode. The JVM interprets and executes the bytecode. The Java source code is compiled into bytecode, that is .class file. Bytecode is platform independent. As I said earlier, we can run in any platform. Any system that has JVM can execute the bytecode. Therefore, the program does not need to be recompiled. Even we can run in any operating system. There is no need for recompilation or no need to be recompiled even when we use or execute in different operating system. For example, when we develop the program and execute the program in one platform in Windows, for example, if we take the same bytecode, that is the compiled bytecode, and we can run in any other operating system. So that's why we call it as platform independent. Java architecture includes JDK. The JDK includes the JRE and JVM. JDK includes or it consists of Java compiler, development tools and libraries. The Java runtime environment consists of libraries, classes, and JVM. The JVM consists of class loader, bytecode, execution engine, and garbage collector. We will have a detailed discussion about all this in detail. Java Development Kit. It is a software package used to develop Java applications. It provides the tools required to write, compile, debug, and run the Java programs. The components of JDK. It includes the compiler, runtime environment, debugging tools, development tools, and libraries. For example, it includes documentation generator, jar files. The jar files are to package or to combine the files and compress the files. And it includes the debuggers. Runtime environment. It provides the environment required to run Java applications. It contains JVM and Java runtime libraries. The components of JRE. It includes JVM, class libraries, supporting runtime files, and when we see the Java virtual machine, it is the one that executes the bytecode. It enables the Java program to run on different operating systems. Bytecode. What is meant by a bytecode? It is the intermediate code generated by the Java compiler. After compiling the source file, That is, that is, a Java compiler will compile the source file. Then it is converted into, or it is stored in a .class file, and it will be executed by the Java virtual machine. What are the components of JVM? It includes the class loader. It loads the .class files into memory. There is a bytecode verifier. It checks the code for security and correctness. In the execution engine, it executes the bytecode. It contains the interpreter and JIT compiler. The main task of the JIT compiler, it will compile the, it converts the frequently executed bytecode into machine code, improves the execution speed. Garbage collector. It automatically removes the unused objects from memory. Now we see the execution flow. The Java program is compiled and converted into bytecode, that is the intermediate code, with the .class extension. This bytecode will be executed by the JVM and we are able to get the output for the program. We call Java as platform independent. It is an object oriented language also. Why we call this as platform independent, I have already explained. Once again, I will just summarize. When we compile the program, it is converted into bytecode, and we can take this bytecode and run in any other platform without the need for recompilation. That is, we can run in any other operating system or any other platform without the need for recompiling. And it includes both compiler and interpreter. The Java programs are both compiled and interpreted. Hope you understand Java architecture, JDK, JRE, and JVM. Please subscribe the videos. Thank you.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।